Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Let's Learn with Vidya. Friends, today's our video is about 8th standard English book CBSE. So in our today's session we are going to take the beautiful poem which is Unfolding Bird. It is written by Naoshi Koriyama. It's a very simple and short poem. As you can see flowers along with this poem. That means this poem is based on the flowers. So let's begin with reading first. One is amazed by a water lily unfolding with each passing day, taking on a richer color and new dimensions. One is not amazed at a first glance by a poem which is as tight closed as a tiny bird. Yet one is surprised to see the poem gradually unfolding, revealing its rich inner self as one reads it again and over again. So, through this poem, poet wants to convey that we can understand a poem by reading it again and over again. And this he explains through a beautiful comparison. Here poet comparing the poem and the process of understanding the poem with the process of the unfolding or the blooming of the water lily flower. So let's see the explanation of poem line by line. The first line says one is amazed. So here amazed means beautifully surprised. So one is amazed by water lily. When we see water lily, we are charmed, we are mesmerized to see a water lily, the beautiful flower, unfolding with each passing day. So when we see that flower growing from a bud into a mature beautiful flower, when we see turning of a bud with each passing day in a beautiful flower, we are amazed, we are surprised, taking on a richer color and new dimensions. And each day when we watch it, we see its changing color. Earlier it appears lighter, but when it grows, when the petals open, it appear more bright. And size also become from small bud into a big grown-up flower. So we are beautifully amazed when we see a water lily unfolding with each passing day. With each passing day means here slowly and gradually. So now let's see the next stanza of poem. One is not amazed at a first glance by a poem. So here in second stanza, poet says that we are not amazed at a first glance. Glance means here short look. So we are not amazed when we see for the first time poem which is as tight closed as a tiny bird. So here in the second stanza, the poet says when we see the poem for a first time or when we just read it for a first time, we will not be amazed just by the first reading, because the first reading will be just like a closed tiny bird, because the first reading of the poem will just give us that much view as we can see tight closed bird. We didn't understand the poem at first reading. Then further next in third stanza what the poet want to convey us, let's see. Yet one is surprised to see the poem. So poet here says in the first reading we may not be amazed, we may not be surprised to read the poem, we may not be understand, because we will not understand the real meaning which the poem wants to convey us. But again when we read it the second time, the third time, we will be surprised. So he says yet one is surprised to see the poem. Now when we read it for the first time, we will not be surprised or we will not be enjoying that poem. But the same poem, when we read it for the second time, we will be surprised. Now why we are going to surprised after second reading? Because when we read it for the second time, third time, gradually, slowly we are trying to understand it. Okay, we get to know the meaning behind the poem. So yet one is surprised to see the poem gradually unfolding like the water lily unfolds. So when we read poem second time or the third time, the poem will be unfolding itself. So here what will be unfolding? The meanings. We will be understand the deeper meaning of the poem, revealing its rich inner self. So when we read it for the second or third time or the multiple readings, what will be revealed? We will see the poem will show its rich inner self. The deeper meaning of the poem will come to know as one read it again and over again. So when we will read it again and again, we will be able to understand the inner meaning of the poem, and the poem will gradually, slowly unfold itself just like a blooming water lily flower. So like this, it was a really wonderful poem, and the best part of this poem is that how through the simple comparison the poet has expressed a deep meaning. Here poet compares the understanding of poem by reading it so many times, unfolding the meaning of the poem with water lily flower. As the bird of water lily unfolds slowly, the same way as we are going to read the poem again and again, we will start to understand that meaning of that particular poem.